Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Mentor. So we are here with no update or I can say no progress was made on OBC reservation matter. So today the senior council members tried to put the case for the hearing, okay, but there are some other important cases for which the hearing is going on in Supreme Court, and somehow the time was not allotted for any kind of hearing or discussion into this matter for NEET PG 2021, or you can say into the matter for OBC and EWS reservation for All India quota, 15% for UG and 50% for PG. So as of now there is no update, there is no progress, and there is no advancement into this matter, and we are hoping that tomorrow we can have some discussion in the Supreme Court and we can have some interim order in order to proceed with the counseling process, which is very important. We have got so much of delayed already, okay, and it's it's a high time that the Supreme Court should give any kind of decision and allow the counseling process, irrespective we get decision in favor of any government or opposite to government, or we don't get any decision at all in this matter. The counseling process must proceed, because I can understand from a doctor's point of view they are so much of like so much of frustrated, um, eh, because it's getting delayed and delayed. We have been getting date after dates, okay, but there is no any conclusive approach which is taken so far, okay. So we hope that tomorrow we get some kind of conclusion, or if some progress is made today, then I will update you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching and have a great day.